Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Are you ready to join me on an adventure to one of Thailand's most stunning destinations? We're about to explore the breathtaking beaches of Phi Phi Island, and I couldn't be more excited to share this experience with you all. So before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content. As soon as I arrived on Phi Phi Island, I was struck by the sheer natural beauty of the place. The crystal clear waters and the white sand beaches make for a truly spectacular sight. I decided to take a walking tour of the island, and I'm so glad I did.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
Walking around allowed me to truly appreciate the scenery and take in all the sights and sounds that the island has to offer. The first beach that we're going to explore is Low Dalam Beach, and it's truly a sight to behold. The beach is lined with palm trees, and the water is a stunning turquoise color. The beach is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing, and there are plenty of beach bars and restaurants nearby where you can enjoy a refreshing drink or a delicious meal. Next up is Maya Bay, which is perhaps the most famous beach on Phi Phi Island. It's easy to see why to the beach is absolutely stunning, with towering limestone cliffs surrounding it on all sides. Maya Bay has become something of a tourist hotspot in recent years, and it can get quite busy during peak season. I hope that this video has inspired you to add Phi Phi Island to your travel bucket list. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!